where I am at the moment. Well, this is underneath Highway 1, which is the parking area for Woye Shan's hike. So we just parked here and we're going to see if we can find the entrance. Emily is going to join me today on this hike, and yeah, she doesn't like difficult hikes, so I thought, yeah, let's bring her on this hike. I've never been on this hike, but apparently it's quite an easy one, so yeah, let's try it out. Hopefully she'll survive it.
I will survive it.
First we need to cross a road. Once you get to this area, there's a white sign and there's a red sign. Red is the way. Go red. Okay, we're starting off with some rock stairs, which is quite nice and easy to do. Climbing up quickly. What I like about this hike is just these pit stops where you can stop and have a look at the mountain and just enjoy the beautiful view that's here behind me. We've been hiking for about an hour now, and man, the views are amazing and the rewards of this hike is outstanding. So yeah, I'm really glad we did this and busy doing it, and keep on going. This hike has some amazing views, but some of the spots are a little bit dangerous. So you want to make sure that you don't get too close to the edge, because if someone needs to pick you up down there, it's not gonna look pretty. Look at this, we reached the main viewing spot and it's absolutely beautiful. So if you wonder how do I know if this is the main spot? Well, everyone is here, it's so busy. It's clearly a very popular hike, so if you're planning on doing it, do it early in the morning. Although I can imagine that sunset must also be really a sight to see. So yeah, whenever suits you, I guess, if you can handle the crowds, but come and enjoy it. It's cool. This is a duck farm. You might be wondering, why am I standing at the duck farm? Well, I want to fly my drone, but I'm not allowed to fly there in the mountains. So I took a little bit of a back alley road, and this is the closest I can get to the mountains, where I'll try and fly my drone from, and let's see if I can get some cool shots. I'm clearly not the first person to have had this idea to fly from here, because the owner of this duck farm put up a sign that says no drones. So I'll be heading over to the other side of the street, closer to the dam, and try to fly from there. Let's see. So if you want to fly a drone in Taiwan, you can't just go and fly. There are a few things you first need to do. First of all, you need to register and register your drone, and then always have this card on you. So I'll be wearing mine like this. Then secondly, you need to put the scanning code. You need to stick it onto your drone with the registration code as well. And there are some rules. So the best thing to do is have the government's app on your phone, and that will show you a map of Taiwan, and it will show different areas where you can fly and can't. For example, here I can fly here where the river is, the Da'an River, but I can't get too close to the mountain. That's a red zone. So I can fly around here, and yeah, I'll try and get some nice shots and not get too close to the mountain. Okay, I think we got some nice shots. It was really cool flying here. It was so tempting to fly into the canyon, but of course I'm not allowed to. But yeah, overall, very nice flight. If you enjoyed this, then please give it a like. And if you want to see more, remember to subscribe. See you next time.